So OnePlus is going to launch its latest flagship, which is going to be the OnePlus 8T, and it's confirmed that it is coming in on October 14, 2020, which is in a couple of weeks from now. And surprisingly, there won't be any OnePlus 8T Pro model, and this is confirmed by the leaks. There would be some minor improvements in it, and it is coming in at a very competitive price of $699, which is absolutely crazy. As of the display, we're going to have a 6.55-inch 1080p 120Hz AMOLED display, and it's going to be flat, and it would have a hole punch on the corner housing a 32-megapixel selfie camera. And if you're enjoying this video, by the way, a subscribe to my channel would be massively appreciated. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of this year. Please make that happen. That said, it would have 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and unfortunately, there won't be any micro SD card support in it. It would be rocking Snapdragon 865 chipset and a massive 4500 mAh battery with 65 watt of fast charging, which is insane. There would be steel glass on both the front and the back with an aluminum frame in between, and quad camera setup on the back with a 48 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel auto wide camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. And the camera module itself has been changed, so now it is on the top left corner with a rectangular shape, and it will be coming with Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11 out of the box with the latest and greatest feature supported by Android 11. So this phone generally sounds a pretty nice deal, and the $699 price makes it an absolute steal as compared to the $1,400 flagship. So let me know down in the comment section below, would you buy it or not? So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.